Hey guys, today let's learn how to recover deleted chats on Messenger iPhone. So in the case that you want to recover those deleted chats, I just want to teach you guys that there's not actually a way in order for you guys to recover those deleted chats once they have already got deleted. Now the only way to actually have a solution to this is to see and maybe take a screenshot first before those messages get deleted on your notification center. So you can actually go ahead, as you see right here, I do have my notification enabled. So just to tap on your settings and go ahead over on your notifications right here, scroll all the way down until you see the Messenger application, and I want you to have all of these 3 alerts enabled, especially the banners, because what the banners is going to show you, it's going to show you basically a preview of the message on the banner over here on the top section before it gets unsent if the sender chooses to unsend their message. And one more thing is I want you to hop on your Messenger applications and tap on your settings on the top left corner of the screen to enable, of course. So let's tap on our settings section over here and tap on notifications and sounds. I want you to enable the show previews option so that you could see the previews of the message before it gets deleted. Now if you want to go ahead and recover those deleted messages, and if you think that the sender is going to delete the message, just go ahead and scroll through your notification center, view the message on there, take a quick screenshot and not necessarily click on it to open it, and that is going to give you a copy of the message in the case that they will delete it. And that's a quick workaround on how you guys could recover those deleted messages. Thank you boys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.